What's up, guys, and welcome back to video number 40. I hope you're all doing really well. Okay, so we are ready to start using CRUD. Yes, CRUD. What is CRUD? CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete, and that's what we're going to be doing with our database. So in this video, let's go ahead and focus on our first part of CRUD, which is to create. So let's go ahead and go to the bottom of our navigation menu. And it's right here. You see where our closing UL tag is and our closing table cell tag is. Well, okay, yeah, I think so, because this is where our big main content is. Yeah, so this ends our navigation area. So let's go ahead and create a few more lines of code, and I'm going to give it a break tag right here because I don't want it to be directly underneath that. Actually, I'll give it two break tags. I'll keep it on the same line. And let's go ahead and, what do I want to do? I want to give it a link, excuse me. And I don't know what I want to call that yet because it's going to be for a page that we have yet to create. And I don't know, I guess I'll go ahead and call that new info.php. And as long as I can remember that, I should be okay. Okay, and let's go ahead and save it right now and let's look at it. Let's reload it. And nothing showed up. Why didn't anything show up? Because we didn't call it anything. Okay, and I'll just go ahead and call this add new information. And let's go ahead and reload it. Okay, well, it looks too much like my menu, so I'm going to go ahead and add some CSS. So open up your CSS. Actually, just call it something first. I'll go ahead and call it div ID. I'll just go ahead and call this new. I'll close it out right down there. I'll save it and let's track down my style sheet. Right click with TextMate and let's go down here to the bottom. Actually, I'll just go underneath my main right here so I can keep it somewhat organized. And what do we call it? New? Okay. And what do I want to do? What do I want to do? I'll just go ahead. I'll give it a font size of 10 pixels, and I'll give it a different font family. I'll give it a font family of Arial, because Arial is a cool font, and it's very pretty. I think so. I'm not afraid to say it. I think Arial's a very pretty font. Okay, so let's go ahead and save it, and let's reload it. That looks a little bit better. Add new information. Okay, I'll work with that. I'm not too worried about the padding or the margin, bumping it over. So hopefully you guys followed along just fine. I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video.